Hey guys, currently just chilling at the beach with, Zach already. We're chilling here. We went in the water for like an hour. We've been laying down for like 30, 45 minutes. Just chilling on the beach, dude. The beach life is great. We need some more pineapples. That's what we need. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. Maybe we do something tonight. Today is a really chill day. Much love. Currently on the hike, guys. Big trees.
Running my feet against the carpet, trying to inhale so I can float instead of falling. I'm running scared, feeling like.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna go to a waterfall real quick, get some pictures, hopefully do some cliff jumping sooner than later, Just have a little bit of fun, guys, So, this is our view right now. I'm sweaty as crap, guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys my face. But, look at that. This is a great view. We walked about, mile and a half, 2. Hot as hell, guys. But yeah, see you guys on the next
Never there when I was falling apart. Yeah, I broke over, make-believe love, let down my guard. Now I finally build it back up, cause I've had enough, It's a minefield in my mind, and I'm headed for
You touched the rocks on the bottom?
You touched the rocks on the bottom? Before I turn to nothing. Gravity, please let go of me. You're too heavy on my shoulders, heavy on my shoulders. Gravity, rock me back to sleep. It's not easy getting older, easy getting older. Easy getting older.
I never thought it'd be this bad. I got these morning monsters in my head. They tell me I should never leave my bed. Not yet. So I stay and try to think some happy thoughts. I tell these buyers my brain can't be bought. I'm not a liar, I'm just feeling lost, so lost. I can't fake it, it's just another day of feeling lost. I just take it, I lay here and I tell myself I'm gonna be better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better. I'm gonna be better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better. escape it, but maybe I could hide out. I can't erase it, but I could use some white out. I'll stay awake even if